Good PM, ngayon po ay Monday, July 28, 2025 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Monday, July 28, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong July 28, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Monday, July 28, 2025. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for July 28, 2025, Monday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Monday, July 28, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.